Hello everybody, welcome into the shop. Today we are going to be going outside and doing some chainsaw milling with my Alaskan sawmill. We're going to be milling up some fir and some apps, and I think that's all I got out there as of right now. But first thing we got to do is tighten this chain and give it a fresh sharpen. Let's get on with the video. So here's how I sharpen my chainsaws. I start by picking out a tooth on the chain and then taking a Sharpie and marking it, just so I know where I start. Then we take that tooth and we start by sharpening that. Just sharpen that a few times and then you take it and go to the next one. And then you go to the next one. And you do that throughout the entire chain. So I'll speed it up from here and you guys can watch me file. And then we're back at our start. And then you flip the bar over, highlight what one you want, and then file it the same way you did with the other ones. And I won't make you watch that because it's just the same thing over again. Now we're going to head outside and start milling some boards. Hope you enjoy. solid as a rock. I didn't record me putting these on. They're just two pieces just stuck there so they don't move. so that it don't rock back and forth. And yeah, that's the final thing. This wasn't a very long video, but next week I plan on having a coffee table build out. So stay tuned for that and subscribe and get notified when it happens. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.